we have some programming. We have STEM here that we offer. We offer intro to foods. We also offer kind of a handmade marketplace, which is a kind of a refurbishing construction. And so in order to put those programs on, we have to be creative with our building. Right now we have to be very careful of how many things that we plug in at a time so we don't blow the circuitry. So we have to be creative in what kind of instruments that we use. We can't have a kitchen or a hood and vents and things like that, so we have to use kind of the Instapot kind of stuff, but again, thinking about the electrical needs.